10 lines on 3D printed post office. 1. India's first 3D printed post office opened in Bangluru. 2. This building is located in Cambridge layout of Bangluru. 3. This 3D building was named Cambridge Layout Post Office. 4. This post office was inaugurated by Union Minister Ashwin Vaishnav. 5. The construction of this building started from 21st March. 6. This building was completed in just 44 days and got ready on 3rd May. 7. The design of this post office building was done by IIT Madras. 8. This building was constructed by Larsen & Toubro Constructions Company. 9. In the construction of this building, it was given the form of a 3D building by using different types of software. 10. It is a testimony to the innovation and progress of our country. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe for more videos.